Hello and welcome to The Bridge. The Tokyo Olympics 2020 is nearing its extremity, and with that have arrived the biggest medal prospects of this year. Neeraj Chopra and Bajrang Punia stand tall to offer their best to reach to the Olympic podium in their respective sports, but this one athlete who's suitably capable and undeniably deservable to win and march her way towards the Olympic podium is none other than Vinesh Phogat herself. Let's jump right into unfurling the reason why Vinesh can fly high at the Tokyo Olympics for India. But before we do that, please do not forget to click on like, share and subscribe to support the channel and to receive more engaging and fun content regarding sports from The Bridge.
For more latest news from the sports multiverse, please like, share and subscribe The Bridge and hit the bell icon to never miss a notification.
Shouldering the legacy of Phogat family in wrestling, Vinesh, dare to say, has surpassed the achievements of her kinswoman. While she suffered a career-threatening injury back in Rio, where she was a medal prospect, her journey post-2016 has been no less inspiring and full of accomplishments. Becoming the only Indian woman wrestler to win golds in both Asian and Commonwealth Games, the 26-year-old has adorned her cabinets with many more accolades. A few of them came this year itself. And by the virtue of her amazing form in wrestling, Vinesh Phogat has stepped into the village as seeded number 1 in 53 kg category. But her way to the ultimate glory is defied by the likes of Qianyu Pang of China and Mayu Mukaida of Japan, against whom Vinesh doesn't really hold a favourable record. But as far as the draws are concerned, Vinesh will be starting her Tokyo run against veteran and Rio Olympic bronze medalist Sofia Mattsson of Sweden, and could potentially be up against 2020 European champion Bulgaria's Vanessa in the next round. Vinesh will have to face either Winchester of USA or Pang of China in semi-finals to assure herself a medal. But there is no Mukaida before finally, you guys. But this is Olympics, and this is where the champions come alive. Vinesh has peaked just at the right time, and she is a champion enough. But will she be able to wrestle her way to the gold? If you have stayed till here, thank you so much for watching this video. For more engaging and fun content regarding sport, please click on like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive all the notifications from The Bridge. Thank you for watching this video. Take care.